quality assurance, Wuzhoufeng Agricultural Science and Technology has been paid a consistent attention for the quality controls. Today, the company has set up a comprehensive and sound total quality assurance system. Over 10 years development, the company has been partnering with several top research institutions and academies to conduct research on special fertilizer prescription and scientific fertilization methods. Until now, the company has been awarded with 13 pieces of national patents and 71 pieces of trademarks, of which 18 pieces of international ones included. The trademark of Wuzhoufeng, owned by the company, has been registered in more than 10 countries such as US, Japan, Mexico, Indonesia, Malaysia, Korea Republic, etc. The company has made a cumulative investment of over $900,000 and built an advanced laboratory with sophisticated facilities and experienced technicians. All the inbound raw materials are inspected before acceptance, and all the products on lines will be checked every 2 hours to ensure 100% qualified. Moreover, the company actively learns new testing techniques and inspection methods and makes every batch of exported products inspected in terms of kicking inclination, moisture, and nutrients contents. To match the fast development of international business, Wuzhoufeng has made great efforts to enhance logistical and delivery capacity. Today, it has set a complete logistic warranty system in order to improve the loading rate and turnover rates of vessels. The company initially adopts the jumbo bag packing and truck transportation method, which highly increase logistical efficiencies. Apart from the above, the company actively seeks a chance to cooperate with the Yantai Port Group to further explore the Australia markets. The two parties work together to apply for the DAFF AQIS accreditation in the year 2013 and successfully passed accreditation in February of 2014, becoming the one producer and seaport in the north of China to complete the accreditation now. Moreover, Wuzhoufeng actively participates in the building of the new terminal in Yantai West Port, and the cumulative investment has accounted for 7% of the total project.